Hi, TWT friends. So my belief about teaching is I believe in the workshop approach to teaching, which includes the gradual release of responsibility and includes experiences with a variety of mentor texts, published authors, teacher-written texts, and student pieces. So as we are learning remotely, how have I been trying to live that belief? Is I've been making videos teaching craft moves that include samples of published texts, teacher mentor texts, and student mentor texts. I've also been trying to build in an I do, we do, you do approach. The we do is a little challenging from remote teaching, but been giving it a go. So I've also been using Buncee for this type of teaching to make my screencasts. So this would be an example of the Buncee I made for the craft move of show, don't tell. So I would go over with the students what that strategy is, what writers can do, and then I went for some examples. So I was trying to teach directly here with here's me showing you what it would look like if you were doing show, don't tell in your writing. So there were a few different examples, and then I gave the students a chance to rewrite a sentence. I asked them to share it in the comments of our Google Classroom, and then we were able to give each other some feedback. So that was the we do part. And then they were attempting that on their own in their blog posts. Another lesson that I taught via video was voice makes writing come alive. So in this post, I shared different types of punctuation that writers use, and then tried to show a few examples of where we see this with some stories that we know and love. And then I shared one of my blog posts with the students. I linked over to the blog and read it right from there. And then I shared one of my students' really brilliant pieces of where she used punctuation and created a lot of voice. And then invited them to try it, to either revise something they've already written or to try a new piece altogether with interesting punctuation. So one thing I've been doing to live this belief is by trying to teach students different lessons, and they can go back to them and rewatch them as they need them. And I've been working to include published texts, teacher written texts, and also student pieces to highlight the craft moves that we've been learning.